T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go MRV, and go MEP.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
MOD tier pressures are nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds into flight, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. The vehicle is currently throttling down to prepare for max Q, the point of maximum aerodynamic stress on the rocket.
Power and telemetry nominal.
There's confirmation from mission control that everything is on track. Max Q is reached when the air density of the atmosphere...
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
And there's confirmation that Falcon 9 is now moving faster than the speed of sound. So again, we are standing by for max Q, which is reached when the air density of the atmosphere decreases faster than the increasing speed of the rocket, and that's why it's a critical milestone for us during flight.
Max Q.
Back in flight chill.
There we heard we're beginning to chill that MVAC engine for ignition up in space.
Stage separation confirmed.
There we had confirmation of main engine cutoff and stage separation. Great
And
views
back ignition.
of both of those, and of course MVAC ignition on board our second stage as well. Now coming up next is fairing separation.
Stage.
More great views of that MVAC engine burning up in space as we take our payloads to orbit today.
Fairing separation confirmed.
There we have a great visual of fairing separation and of course our announcement from Mission Control. We have had an excellent mission so far today with an on-time liftoff at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Time.
Stage 2 FTS safe.
We are now standing by for SECO 2 of our MVAC engine. I'm sorry, SECO 1.
And back shutdown.
There we have confirmation that MVAC has shut down for the first time on today's mission.
Nominal orbit insertion.
And confirmation from Mission Control that we are in a good orbit. The next milestone we're waiting for is second engine start 2, when our MVAC engine on board the second stage will relight. That's set to occur at T plus 28 minutes and 52 seconds. So we're going to take another break here to stretch our legs and leave you with some more great views and space tunes.